So, it's fucking raining. And I gotta figure out what size belt to get for this shit. What are the odds that I can just eyeball this? 15 inches. Alright. I've never done this before, but I've seen a lot of old guys do it. I'm going to take this wire and I'm going to tape it to one of these pulleys. And then I'm going to wrap it around so I can get an accurate measurement. I hope this isn't metric wire because I can't read millimeters. Now what they say is that you're supposed to tape your pulley in position so it doesn't move when you're pulling your wiring. But I'm not cleaning the surface enough for tape to stick that good, and I've only got 3 pulleys here. I don't think it's going to be that hard. Loop, swoop, and pull. I'm assuming this is the length I need. Just, yeah. I gotta tape measure that real quick. Oh, my horse is getting wet. "38 inches. It's exactly what I guessed.
But that was a situation all on its own. Went in there, told her I needed a 38-inch V-belt. She said, "A what?" "It's a V-shaped belt." And she was like, "What vehicle is it going on?" I said, "Well, ma'am, it's not going to be in your system. It's an imported car from outside of the country." She goes, "What?" And I was like, "It's a European car. It's not on the American market." And she was like, "Well," and I was like, "We can try to look it up anyways." So she put in the information. I was like, "It's a 230 TE." And she goes, "Are you sure it's a 230? I said, 100% sure it's a 230. It's not offered here. Please do not fight me on this." She said, "Let me go get a Mercedes specialist at the Automobile Zone." The guy comes out, he's the manager, and he goes, "What do you need?" I said, 38-inch V-belt. He says, "All right," goes to the back, comes back out. He's like, "Here," looked at the part number, here are the specs on it. I said, "That's close enough." So I got the belt and we're good to go. Let's go put this thing on, drive this Mercedes.
Well, here we are doing the best we can to get it done. I don't really know how to adjust this alternator really. Looks to be a nut right there. Something's still tight there. Oh yeah, that is. Okay, same size? Same size? Excuse me. Whoops, that fell there. Always a fan of having the right tool for the job. You never know. You're gonna need the big one and the small one. So just go ahead and get both whenever you need one or the other. In this case, ended up needing the big one. That looks like a common ground. I'm just gonna pry against that. Oh, motor mounts are good. Yep, they're holding it. So got this. Fish it over this fan here. They sold me the wrong size shit. Maybe not. Maybe it's my fault. Oh, shit. Fuck, all the way to the bottom, huh? If I had a theme song that played in my head while I worked, it would be the Cotton Eye Joe. This one didn't seem like the right width. But the guy at AutoZone felt very comfortable with this one. Oh, Jesus. It's on there. Oh, it does not look like it is going to be able to get the tension it needs. That's a lot of movement in that one. Oh, we're going to have to go back. Oh, but do I have something up my sleeve? Another belt. I'm gonna be a pro at this. Try to work that out there. Was it up? Oh, that was probably the wrong way. If it's hard, it was probably go the other way. Oh yeah, that's it right there. Is this how you're supposed to do it, or is it just working like this because it's old? Get on. Oh, it's rotating. We're gonna switch over to the semi-automatic here. Okay, just because I'm not going back to that godforsaken hellhole 2 more times, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take, which one is this? Is this the 40? This is the 40. We're just gonna add a little bit more padding in there. We're prepping for something big here. That's why time is of the essence. We are not gonna be able to return this after it gets hot with fucking duct tape all over it. Plenty. Now get some reverse hand cranks in here. Make sure my Fitbit counts my steps for the day. Let me set the scene a little. I've got all this welding wire left over from a couple of battery relocates. Is there a way that I could do this without destroying this? So, we're just gonna take this and just, good Lord, how do you, okay, don't need that. Oh. Do the same on this side. We're gonna take this thin strand stuff and we're just gonna mate them together. That's it, right there. We're gonna take one of our butt connectors here. That's good. All right, now that I got all these connections finished up, I think I did a really good job here. I've seen this method used a lot by, you know, a lot of big shops that do customization for trucks and stuff on the television. So I just did one like it. I just amped it up a little bit. I didn't wrap mine in the old greasy electric tape. I did the nice way. Those are connected. They're gonna run right through here. Window down. Gonna go in. Battery's just gonna sit right there. Just a temporary setup. This old gal here. Oh, that's the full moon. How about it? It's a side post. I've got my accessories run to the top post, and those just bolt together. So I'm just gonna borrow these off of here. Nice. Ooh, that wind's picking up. Getting chilly over there? All right, so we've got new battery cables run back here, fine line of duct tape, looking clean, all the way into here where our battery will live for a brief moment. Oh, that is sweet. I'm so proud of the work that I got done today. All right, thanks everybody for watching this episode of Definitely Not Mechanics. I feel like I really got a lot done on the Mercedes that needed to be done for us to be able to drive it, because I'm so tired of not being able to drive it just for trivial things. I had all the crap laying around the shop to be able to put it back together. So this video was brought to you in part by our subscribers, because we're about to be monetized on YouTube, and that's super freaking cool because we've been trying this for 2 years, and we really appreciate all of the support. We've already hit our 4,000 watch hours, so look out in the following week. There's going to be a video for our 1,000 subscribers. Keep watching. Check out the website if you haven't already, definitely-not-mechanics.com. Pick up some merch like this sweet toboggan. Is that what the kids are calling them? All right.